Hi, this is Kayla McCullough, and this is my initial self-assessment. The first objective is students will demonstrate knowledge of different types of IO consulting. I really do not know much about the different types of IO consulting. I've taken a few courses in this program, and I've noticed through assignments and case studies that revolve around what IO consultants do, but not specific types of IO consulting. Based on my previous courses, I know that IO consultants go into organizations and businesses to try and solve problems and help organizations and businesses be more effective. They may analyze jobs, help organizations develop a more effective performance appraisal system, and they may help organizations develop better selection techniques and assessments. Objective 2. Students will gain an understanding of the competencies that are required for IO consultants. I don't really know a lot about this objective either, but I can make an educated guess that this objective focuses on traits that are desirable for IO consultants. Based on previous courses, I'm going to predict that some of the competencies of IO consultants may include being good at problem solving and thinking out of the box, being detail-oriented, being knowledgeable about IO psychology content, being adaptable and open, being professional, and being great communicators. I'm sure throughout this course I will learn what it takes to be a competent IO consultant. Objective 3. Students will develop knowledge and skills for preparing documents, proposals, and reports that are typically involved in consulting projects. I'm actually very happy to discover that this will be one of our objectives. For this course, I've always liked writing, specifically writing for research, so I'm excited to have the opportunity to learn how to write proposals and reports that can be impressive and comprehensive in the professional world. This seems like a valuable ability to have as an IO consultant or as any administrative, mid-management, or management position. I don't have a lot of experience writing proposals or reports unless you count minor research projects in undergrad. I did do a mock job analysis and a mock training guide in my previous IO courses, but I'm not sure if these really relate to preparing documents as an IO consultant. Objective 4. Students will develop skills in applying knowledge of industrial organizational psychology in consulting and business settings. I think this is one of the most important objectives because it ties in our coursework from the entire program to real-world working situations. I've had some practice with applying information in my other courses in this program, as my professors have really continuously created assignments that focus on applying knowledge learned in the readings and presentations. I'm looking forward to further expanding on this in this course. Objective 5. Students will select and utilize communication strategies that are appropriate for their audience. So this objective really hits home for me because I don't have a lot of confidence in my communication strategies. I do believe that I've gotten a little bit better as I've grown as a person in my current position, plus the diverse assignments in this program have given me a lot of practice and mock situations to actually practice in. I hope that this course will really help me expand on my ability to communicate strategically for the appropriate audience. Objective number 6. Students will define problems in business settings and identify appropriate consulting plans. This objective also seems extremely valuable, and I'm excited to learn how to detect and define problems in business settings. I think we all kind of have a sense of problems in business settings, even if we don't have a background in like IO consulting or human resources or management. I have a small amount of knowledge relating to the second part of the objective, but I am most certainly not savvy in identifying the appropriate consulting plans. I was able to come up with 2 goals for this course. First of all, I've always been somewhat on the shyer side, which has also affected my self-confidence. This program has really forced me out of my shell. I want to continue to become more confident and comfortable so that I stand out in the professional world. Based on this course's objectives and the course description, I want the goal for myself to be more confident in my communication, especially in my video presentations, specifically for the proposals, if we do have video assignments for the proposals. From what I can tell, you have to be confident and knowledgeable to be a successful IO consultant, so this is an important goal of mine. My second goal is to really learn how to write excellent proposals and reports. This goal is something more tangible than many of my other goals, mentioned and not mentioned. I know that creating something that looks great on paper and has high quality content will make me feel confident and proud. Creating a strong, thorough, and professional proposal or report will most likely ensure automatic respect and professionalism, so I really look forward to improving on this goal. Thanks!